Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, we are diving into Decal nail art. I will guide you through the process step by step. Start by applying the first layer of gel polish and cure it for 30 seconds. Follow up with the second layer, curing for 60 seconds. Now grab your chosen decal strip. Cut out your desired design. I am going with a cute bear. Remove any excess paper, then dip the decal into a bowl of water for about 5-6 seconds. Use a plucker to lift the decal from the water and carefully peel it from the paper as demonstrated in the video. Apply the decal to your nail and gently tap it down. It will stick right on. Finish off with the top coat. Notice how stunning it looks. It doesn't appear as if we have simply stuck something on the nail. Rather, it gives the impression that we have dedicatedly drawn a design directly on the nail. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel for more nail art inspiration. Thanks for joining me today.